flying with Daddy? Yeah. Oh. Wow. Here you go. Whee!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Raziella on her first flight. She receives approximately 10 miles, frequent flyer miles for this trip.
Wow, look at you. It's hard to tell what's going on here. Wow, what other tricks do you know?
What else do we know, Raziella? She can stand up by herself.
Whoa. Wow, look at you. You're so big.